Fine and student, same circuit, same board, same sensors. But only thing is, now you can see here, I'm into different IDE, that is MicroPython IDE, that is Thorny IDE. So before going to Thorny IDE, please remember there is a procedure. Like before this, we were into C, no? So from shifting from C to Python, you have to press this button, then put the wire inside this wire. You have to press this button. A window will open. And in the window you have you have a link given. You go to MicroPython, that is Raspberry Pi MicroPython, and UF2 file you have to download. UF2 file you have to download of MicroPython. Please remember, okay? You have to select the correct board for that. So you can see here, I'm just pressing the button over here. There is a reset type of button, that is this thing. I'm just pressing it and I'm inserting this cable, that is micro USB cable, right? Okay, so I'm just releasing the thing will come on the screen. I will just show it to you. Just a moment, please. You can see here this page opens. Okay, this page opens. So there is a index HTML page. I will just click on that particular page. We'll go to that site. Just watch it, please. Okay, we'll go to the Raspberry Pi Pico site. You have, okay. So this is a Raspberry Pi Pico site. Just go to that site and just come down a little more down here. And there is a MicroPython over here. So just double click on that particular MicroPython. And when you see that MicroPython, you can see here on the down page, here it is given, download the correct MicroPython UF2 file for your board. So 4 boards are given: Pico, Pico W, Pico 2, and Pico 2W. So our board is Pico W. So you just click on this, a download will happen here, and that file I have to take it. Where is that file? I will just show it to you. That file will be on the download. Okay, that file you have to collect, or you have to, I will just see here, the files have come. Okay, so yeah, so I will go to the download page. I will go to the download page for that. Wait, just watch it, please. Okay, we'll go to the Raspberry Pi Pico site. You have, okay. So this is RPI Pico W. This is the file. So you just copy it from here. Copy this file and just close it down and go to the same file where we have RP2, right? RP2, RP1, RP2. And here you have to pay. I will just tell you about the circuit diagram first. Okay, I will share the circuit diagram, of course, but what are the things and all, I will just try to show it to you. So what board I have used it? I have used Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay, what is the difference between this? Because we have to connect, it's an IoT project. Please remember, it is an IoT project. So we have to connect to the web, or we have to connect to the cloud. So we need to have a Wi-Fi here. So this particular board has Wi-Fi, so I have chosen that. So there are 2 sensors here. One is proximity sensor and one is, sorry, this is proximity, and this is also, both of them are proximity only, but one is called as ultrasonic sensor and this is proximity sensor with IR. Okay, so IR sensor, one connection. Both of them are working with 3 volts. Please see here, I have given 3 volts from here to both the points. This sensor also, to this sensor also. This is blue color is a ground point, and this brown color is also ground. Okay, the brown color is also ground. Okay, right. So trigger pin and echo pin I have connected to pin number 16 and 17. These are pin number 16 and 17, trigger and echo. And IR pin I have connected to pin number 18. Okay, that is already given in the code. I will share those codes with you. So these are the things. Okay, so you have to adjust this preset so that it works properly. You can see 2 lights are coming. So you have to adjust the small preset over here. Sometimes you get confused whether it is coming or not, or why it is every time high or every time low. So you have to keep it in mind. So this is about this thing. And from here, I'm just connecting it through the wire USB cable. I'm giving it to my computer. Okay, so this is a small circuit. I just wanted to show it to you. Good. Now we have come back to our Thorny ID. That is, after doing that procedure, like putting the RP2 file, UFS2 file into RP2 drive, automatically your board is ready now. This board is ready now. for writing the codes. Okay, so this is the MicroPython ID. From here you can see the first four are your libraries, like you have in C also, and some LAN connection, your password and ID will be there. And after that, you have a timing exactly same. Pins are same. Pin number 16 is trigger, echo is 17, and sensor is 18. Okay. So trigger low, high, we have also defined it here. Trigger high and low, same calculation. That is for your calculating the distance in centimeter, 0.0343 divided by 2. Okay. So these are the main loop, distance, proximity sensor. We are using what we have defined it, that is parking slot status and vehicle approaching or not. That is yes or no. That two things we have given it here, and delay time is 10 seconds. Okay. So these are the things and all. So what we will do is now we will just go, or we will see whether it is working or not. So what I will do is I will just stop this. I will check the tools whether the port is showing correct or not. Interpreter COM8. Okay. I will close this COM8 port. Then I will load this. Please remember, you have to name it main py, because if you are just connecting it again, the same program will repeat again. So you have to be very careful about that. So I'm just uploading the program by running the script. Okay. So it has come Wi-Fi, connected to Wi-Fi, parking spot status free, and vehicle approaching no. So let's see what happens here. Let's 10 seconds will be the beginning. Yeah. So now it is saying yes. Vehicle approaching, because my hand is there on the top of this, and I will put one more hand here. Let's see what happens. What about the parking spot occupied? So likewise, you can see on the serial monitor, right? Both the things. And now I will take out my hand. What will happen? It will take little time. Please remember, free and no. Please remember that. So we have written the codes in MicroPython and we have got the output. Now the same thing we will see in the ThingSpeak also. Now we are into ThingSpeak. Okay, I'm holding my hand in front of the sensor, that is your ultrasonic sensor. Let's see what happens. I will just refresh it. Okay, that has come up. If you find this thing, I will remove my hand. Okay, and wait for some time, and we will see. We will reset again and see what happens. Right, so more spots have come. Again, I will check this. The graph should come down. The graph has come down. You can see now the ultrasonic sensor. This is the reading from the ultrasonic sensor, whether the parking is available, the vacant space is available or not. So that we have come to know. So, okay. So previous we have seen with the entrance, and now we are seeing the area of parking. Okay. Please remember that. I will remove my hand. Okay. And I will just reset it again. I will just try to refresh it again. Right, it has come up. Okay, it came down, then it has come up to this level, the same one level. Okay, so this project, I hope you understood this project. The same, we have done two, that is in C and MicroPython. You can do the same project. You can do the changes also. My idea is to give you idea to tell you, to guide you, that you can do many of the project taking both the things. Okay, and the Raspberry Pi Pico, this board is very good enough. Why? Because more better than your Arduino boards. This thing, I'm not telling that Arduino is bad, but you can write the languages. You can program it with two languages. Got it? You can program this with the two languages, that is C as well as MicroPython. MicroPython, please try MicroPython. MicroPython is a very good language. I hope you understood this particular projects. And please remember, don't forget to write to me, and what other things you want to learn. I have so many projects on my channel also. Please watch it and please subscribe to it. Thank you for watching.